problems cause your pipe is leaking? Did you notice moisture all up in your ceiling? Stressed out, yeah, I know you probably hate the feeling. Got some plumbing needs, come to us, we got the healing. Barker and Sons, Barker and Sons, just give us a call, we'll get the job done. Barker and Sons, Barker and Sons, just give us a call, yeah, we'll get the job done. Did you get a notice about your water meter?
What is this?
Or maybe no hot water from your water heater?
Gotta be kidding me.
Drains in them sewers, got a team full of doers. We fixing it all, just give us a call. You got some roots, just call us up, we'll make it better. I got the kryptonite, blast your line with the hydrojetter. For 35 years, we've been family owned, so you can rest assured we'll take care of your family's home.
That's facts.
Come to your senses, you should think about trenchless. For sewer repair, break all that concrete, now that is not fair.
Wow.
Customer service, that's our specialty.
That's facts.
They'll give you updates and you can leave the rest to me.
I got it.
Did you get cut off from your gas company?
That sucks.
Gas leaks, slab leaks, that's our cup of tea.
Our thing.
Let me tell ya, we're licensed, bonded, and insured. At Barker and Sons, we'll give you more than just our word. Barker and Sons, Barker and Sons, just give us a call, we'll get the job done. Barker and Sons, Barker and Sons, just give us a call, we'll get the job done. Are you having problems cause your pipe is leaking? Did you notice moisture all up in your ceiling? Stressed out, yeah, I know you probably hate the feeling. Got some plumbing needs, come to us, we got the healing.
It's a great day at Barker and Sons Plumbing. How may I